Where are we at? Oh, is this school? Yep. Yeah, it's school. Yeah. They're in their cute little outfits. You can't see my class. Oh, wait a minute. Never mind. I want to know my class. I don't want to talk to you. And how can you see my class and I can't? Oh. I'm just gonna follow you anyway. Kinda cute anyway. Ooh, it's Hana! Yay. Why am I blushing so much? Look how much I'm blushing. And now I'm not. Right when he passes by, it goes away. Oh, there's Hana! What am I doing? And we're talking. We're talking. Don't talk about me, not those people. Making me nervous. Jeez. And I'm blushing again. And Hana looks all confident and brilliant. G-U-Y. I don't like any of those outfits. Aw, cute picture. And I'm blushing again. Waiting. And we're looking at all this stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. Whoa. What am I looking at? I have a funny face. I have a weird face. Oh, that's Hippo. Ew. Hippo kind of creeped me out with his big, bold eyes. Yeah. I'm just gonna go home now with my stuffed penguin. Let's go, Hippo.